Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to see what's the best free logo maker. So first, I'm going to type in free logo maker. And then there's one logo, like free logo maker, where it says logo MAKR, create your logo in minutes, which is amazing one. New design. So I'm gonna explain you what's really gonna happen. So how this is gonna happen is that here, here at the top are the graphics where you can search. For example, think I'm creating one. Let's see, music. So I like this one. Now I can make it bigger, and then at the right you have T. From that it's like text. You can type something. Let's see, music. And you can change the font at the top. So if you want it to be fancy and cursive, here you have things which are fancy and cursive like this. What I'm going to do is make this bigger. At the side, you can change the color to white. I guess I'll put white. And then I'm going to take shape at the side. I want something rectangle, so I'm going to take this and put it in light gray. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the same size, but I want to be behind this one. So what I'm going to do is bring up like this, and then I'll bring the top one, and then this side, and this side, and I'm going to change its opacity to kind of light. I'm going to make it pretty big. And at the bottom, there are 3 dots, and in that I'm going to press send to back. So now it's behind the graphic. And you can change its colors, you can change the letters, colors. If you want to do an undo, this is what you do. Undo. Now I'm going to bring it back. That's the paint. And after done, you need to download it. You go to side, you go to save logo, and then you can start saving. And this is where I made my logo too, and I signed up. So signing up will be real easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. Bye.